What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about why everyone should have a travel outfit. Let's first talk about what is a travel outfit. A travel outfit consists of clothes that are comfortable, travel friendly, something that's suited for long days, car rides, or flights. I want to start by talking about the importance and the benefits of having a travel outfit. Having a travel outfit is going to give you a guaranteed outfit that you don't have to think about for both the day that you're traveling in and traveling out of your destination. So essentially you can recycle the same outfit on your trip and not have to think about it. If you're like me, when you're packing for a trip, you like to plan out each day and an outfit that you'll wear. By doing this, you're going to cut down on the first day and the last day of your trip because you'll get to wear the same outfit, so it's one less thing to think about. Also, it's comfortable. You're going to want to be comfortable whether it's a long car ride or a flight, however it is you're getting to your destination, and you can have some fun with it. It can be, a look. As far as what to look for in a travel outfit goes, you're going to want to keep a couple of things in mind. Things like lightweight and breathable fabrics. Clothes that are easy to remove or add if you need to take away or add a layer to your outfit. An outfit with all day in motion comfort in mind. And you may also want to think about some sort of color scheme. For me, when I travel, I primarily travel wearing the color black. That's just the color I feel most comfortable in. And again, it's one less thing that I have to think about. I don't need to plan which part of my outfit matches which. Wearing primarily black just adds a level of simplicity to my planning. So let's talk about what my travel outfit consists of. First things first, a t-shirt. This is my base layer. This is the LL Bean Carefree, wrinkle-free, short sleeve t-shirt. I own about a dozen of this t-shirt just because I love it so much. When I'm traveling, I go with a size medium. It's more of a boxy fit. It's more of a loose fit. It's more comfortable. I don't have to worry about it being tight in the armpits or anything like that. So when I travel, I go with a size medium as my base layer. I also go with white because the rest of my outfit is pretty much black, so this does add a little bit of break in the outfit, and it's the base layer. As the title implies, this shirt is wrinkle resistant, so I think it's great for sitting, wearing a seatbelt, anything like that. Once you get to your destination, it doesn't look like you've been strapped into something all day. And another thing I like about this shirt is it's kind of water resistant. So a lot of times I'll accidentally spill some water on myself while I'm drinking, and I'll notice that it just beads right off of this shirt, which is a great feature to have when you're traveling. Moving on to the bottom half of my outfit, these are the Lululemon New Venture Trouser in the PK fabric, and they're black. These pants are great because they don't look like you're wearing technical or athletic pants. They just look like a black pair of pants, but they have a lot of cool features that make traveling in them more comfortable. First things first, the material is great, super lightweight, super breathable. I also love that the back pocket on these is zippered, and inside each of the front pockets there is an extra internal pocket, so it just makes carrying things a little bit more secure when you're traveling. The main reason I picked these pants is because of the fit. It has a nice tapered fit, not too loose, not too tight, but it does look put together. If you are traveling in some of the warmer months, your travel outfit could end there. But as we move into some colder months, I have a couple more layers that I'll travel with. The next layer of my travel outfit is the Lululemon collared half zip, also in black. This jacket is made from a very similar lightweight material to the pants. One thing that's great is it has a giant zippered pocket at the bottom and two vented sections underneath the arm, so you're not getting too hot. The fit of this jacket is also boxy, so with the t-shirt it doesn't feel like I'm too constricted or the layers are just tightening me in. Very easy to move around in this when you're traveling. Also, with this being a half zip, it's very easy to get on and off if I do decide I want to take a layer off or I'm a little too warm. Because I can unzip this all the way, it's very easy to get in and out of. As I mentioned, this is a more boxy fit and I went with a size medium in this, but I think it's the perfect size. I don't think going up or down a size would have suited me any better than going with a size medium. Now, depending on the temperature, that could be the end of my travel outfit, but if it is even colder, I have one last layer that I'll travel with. The last layer to my travel outfit is this insulated lightweight puffer jacket by Lore. This jacket is great because it adds a lot of warmth without adding a lot of weight or puff to your outfit. I also went with this in a size medium, so it can fit over the collared half zip without being too constricting. Like I mentioned, this jacket is insulated. It's great for just adding another layer of warmth if it is in the colder temperatures where you're traveling to. One of my favorite things is the collar. It looks and folds just like a regular collar. It doesn't stand straight up and it doesn't look too flimsy. The last thing I love about traveling with this jacket is that it's very easily packable. It doesn't take up a lot of space if it's in my backpack or if it's in my carry-on, just because you can fold it down and squish it down and it doesn't wrinkle or lose its shape. Last but not least, sneakers. Currently when I'm traveling, I'm bringing these New Balance ounce 550s. If you haven't already seen it, I do have a full video dedicated to these, but currently this is my go-to travel shoe. When picking my go-to travel shoe, I just want something that's comfortable, something I can get easily on, easily off if I'm going through TSA. So I'll typically go with a low top shoe, that way I don't have to unlace it and relace it every time I take it on and off. And another thing I'll look for is something that's gonna match the other outfits that I'm packing. This being a white shoe, it's guaranteed to match pretty much everything that I'm bringing with me, and it looks good with the primarily black outfit that I'm wearing while I travel. So when building your travel outfit, I think it's just important to keep two things in mind: comfort and design. If you can blend those two things, I think you've got yourself a great travel outfit. You don't have to go with primarily one color like me. Your outfit can be any colors that you want. I think the most important thing is just the comfort. I would love to know if you guys do have a travel outfit or just some go-to pieces you wear when you're traveling. If you do, leave a comment down below. I'm super excited to read what you guys are wearing. Hopefully this video gives you some tips or inspiration when building out your own travel outfit. Obviously, you're welcome to use any of the pieces that I shared in this video to add to your travel outfit, but I'm looking forward to hearing what you guys are wearing. As always, go ahead and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe for some more travel content like this. Thanks.